Ever wondered how crucial our sense of smell is in our daily lives? It's more than just distinguishing a rose from a lemon. It's about enhancing our experiences with food, as taste is closely intertwined with smell. It aids in stirring up memories, like the scent of grandma's cookies taking you back to childhood. It plays a role in our emotions too, with certain fragrances triggering feelings of comfort or alertness. However, not everyone has the privilege of this sensory experience. Those with impaired smell can face challenges in everyday tasks, even dangers like not detecting a gas leak. Imagine if there was a device that could mimic this intricate sense of ours. The concept of electronic noses originated back in 1982. This was a time when researchers began to explore the possibilities of replicating human olfaction with technology. The aim was to create a device that could accurately detect and identify a wide array of odors and flavors. The basic working principle of an electronic nose is quite fascinating. It starts with headspace sampling, where the device collects the volatile compounds from the air surrounding a substance. These compounds are then processed by a chemical sensor array, which is essentially an assortment of sensors designed to react in different ways to different compounds. Each sensor's response creates a unique pattern, much like a fingerprint for each specific odor it encounters. But the true magic lies in the pattern recognition modules. These are sophisticated computing systems that interpret the data from the sensor responses. They are capable of analyzing the unique patterns created by the sensors and matching them to a database of known odors. This allows the electronic nose to not only detect an odor, but also identify what it is. The original intention behind the development of electronic noses was to create a tool for various applications. These range from industrial uses such as quality control and environmental monitoring to more specific applications in sectors like food and beverage, pharmaceuticals and cosmetics. The vision was to have a device that could objectively and accurately analyze odors where human noses might not be reliable or practical. From a concept in the 80s, electronic noses have come a long way. Today, they are used in diverse fields and continue to evolve, proving that the idea of replicating human olfaction was not just a pipe dream, but a groundbreaking reality. The evolution of electronic noses has been nothing short of revolutionary. From their humble beginnings in 1982, these devices have grown in complexity and precision, not unlike the evolution of life itself. A significant leap in this evolutionary journey was the birth of bioelectronic noses. These are not your standard electronic noses. They leverage olfactory receptors to detect specific odor molecules. By doing so, they have expanded the scope of what electronic noses can perceive and interpret. Now, you might be asking, where are these electronic noses being used? Well, their applications are as diverse as the smells they can detect. In the food and beverage industry, they are used in quality control and product development, ensuring your favorite snacks always taste just right. Pharmaceuticals too have found value in these devices, using them to safeguard the purity and consistency of their products. In the cosmetics industry, electronic noses have been employed to perfect the scent of perfumes and lotions, refining our sensory experience with these products. They even play a role in environmental monitoring, sniffing out harmful pollutants and contributing to the preservation of our world's ecosystems. But that's not all. Electronic noses have potential applications in health, security and crime prevention. Imagine a world where an electronic nose can sniff out disease or detect illicit substances. The possibilities seem to be endless with these electronic noses. In a nutshell, electronic noses have transformed our approach to odor detection and analysis. Born out of the ambition to replicate human olfaction, these devices have come a long way since their inception in 1982. With a clever combination of sensor arrays and pattern recognition systems, electronic noses not only mimic our ability to smell, but in some ways surpass it. Over the years, they've grown beyond their industrial roots to find a place in diverse fields. Quality control, product development and environmental monitoring are just a few of the areas that now rely on their keen synthetic sense of smell. But what does the future hold for these olfactory wonders? The potential is as vast as it is exciting. Imagine a world where electronic noses aid in early disease detection or help prevent crimes by sniffing out suspicious substances. The possibilities are endless, limited only by the boundaries of our imagination and the pace of technological advancement. Who knows where the scent of innovation will lead us next in the world of electronic noses?